What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Chainlink, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so Chainlink here, and we are going to be running over the total crypto market cap, so make sure you stay clear till the very end of this video. But we're starting off here with Chainlink, and I want to talk a little bit about the Elliott wave cycle that we see here with Chainlink. So we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we get our fifth wave right here. Then, of course, we get our ABC correction that always comes after 5 waves up. You can see we get our ABC correction all the way back down to about $4.81. So this is a pretty good setup here with Chainlink. You can see a complete Elliott wave cycle. And now we're starting a new cycle here on Chainlink. So basically what happened here is we did our wave 1 and our wave 2 in our new cycle, and now I'm expecting for us to have a 3 wave that's coming shortly. Now that third wave is going to be very, very impulsive. At least it's going to be more impulsive than wave 1 for sure, but it could be quite a bit bigger than most wave 3s are. And the reason for that is because we're headed into a wave 3 of 3. Well, what does that mean, Dallin? That means that in the bigger picture, we have wave 1 and wave 2, and we're getting ready for 3 wave in the bigger picture, and we're getting ready for a 3 wave in the subwave count, because we have wave 1, wave 2, and we're getting ready for wave 3 in the subwave. So that means that this is a wave 3 of 3. Why? Because in the bigger picture, we're getting ready for our wave 3, and the subwave of that wave 3 is getting ready to have a wave 3. There's always waves inside of waves. So whenever you get an impulse wave, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, there's always little baby Elliott waves that happen inside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. There's always Elliott waves inside of Elliott waves. And so those are called subwaves. Those little Elliott waves that happen inside of Elliott waves. You can see here that this is a big picture wave 1 and a big picture wave 2. But inside of that big picture Elliott cycle, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So there's Elliott waves inside of waves. Those are called subwaves. Elliott waves can be subdivided. So they're subwaves. No, not Subway. I'm not talking about the restaurant where you go eat sandwiches. I'm talking about subwaves. Waves inside of waves. Now here in the big picture, we're getting ready for wave 3, but we're also getting ready for wave 3 in the smaller time frame. So that means we're having a 3 of 3, a wave 3 of wave 3. Now, what that means here for us who are trading Chainlink, this 3 wave is probably going to be very, very impulsive, even more so than your common wave 3, because it's wave 3 of 3. And wave 3 is already a big wave. In Elliott wave cycles, wave 1 and 2 is pretty small, and wave 3 is really impulsive. And sometimes you get extended fifth waves, which makes the fifth wave even bigger than the third wave. But either way, wave 3 is very often extended. So when you get two wave 3s, a subwave 3 and a major wave 3 stacked on top of each other, that's where you get these really, really powerful impulsive moves. Because 3 waves are already impulsive. So when you get 2 of them stacked on top of each other, a subwave 3 and a major wave 3, like right here, it's going to be impulsive. It's going to be very bullish, very vertical. So that's kind of what I'm expecting here with Chainlink, is that we get a very vertical move as we break out for wave 3, both the sub wave 3 and the big picture wave 3 up here, right here, right? Big picture wave 1, big picture wave 2, and big picture wave 3 is going to be up here somewhere. Wherever it stops, nobody for sure knows, but it has to at least go to the 1618. So we know that our big picture wave 3 will take us above our previous all-time high. So we have our big picture wave 1, big picture wave 2, and our big picture wave 3 getting ready to happen. And our subwave 3. So when we have 2 3 waves stacked on top of each other, a subwave and a major wave, it's going to be impulsive. It's going to be a very parabolic breakout. It's going to be really fun. I mean, think of what happened to Ethereum in 2021 when Ethereum broke out to a new all-time high and started to go up again after having its bear market in 2018 and then going sideways in 2019, having a crash in 2020. When 2021 came around, it finally broke out to a new all-time high. That's what Chainlink is set up to do, the same thing as what happened to Ethereum already, previously. So I think this wave 3 is going to be pretty dang extended. It's going to be pretty bullish. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be exciting. So that's the setup here with Chainlink. We have, in the big picture, we have a complete market cycle. We have our subwave 1 and 2. And I think we're going to have our wave 3 here very soon with Chainlink. Both the wave 3 here on the smaller time frame and the wave 3 up here in the bigger time frame. So we're going to get what's called a wave 3 of 3. Wave 3 of 3. In other words, the big picture wave 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So we're having that big picture wave 3, but we're also having wave 3 of 3. So in that big picture wave 3, the subwave 3 is about to happen as well. So that's going to be really fun. Those wave 3s are already impulsive, and when you get a wave 3 subdivided inside of a wave 3, it's even going to be more impulsive and more exciting. So that's kind of the move I'm expecting here with Chainlink. We're getting ready to have a big picture breakout. We've had consistent accumulation, volume. People have been buying the living heck out of this thing for a really long time now. And Chainlink is a good project too. It's actually useful. It's actually really cool. And yeah, I think we're going to have a big picture wave 3 and really blow a lot of people away. So that's my view on Chainlink. Really like this setup. So let's talk a little bit about the total crypto market cap as well, because I like to do that in basically every video. Why? Because you guys need to know what's happening with the crypto markets. And right now, we see just the most beautiful, perfect structure ever. We have this really, really perfect setup here with the total market cap, where we have a bull flag right here, first of all. So this is a bullish flag. We saw a very, very strong reaction off the bottom of that channel and went all the way back up to the top of the channel. Now, we could pull back a little bit in the short term, you guys. Don't be surprised if crypto sees a 10-20% pullback. But I'm not expecting a pullback like we saw right here. But some altcoins could pull back 20%, right? But we are at resistance. Now, we could break right up through this resistance, this green line right here, or we could pull back a little bit and then break up through. So if we have a teeny pullback in crypto over the next week, don't be surprised. We're at local resistance. We don't have to. We can push right up through, but don't be surprised if we do have a little one. Either way, I think we're going to break out, whether we pull back a little bit at resistance and find support and then break out, or whether we just break out right here and right now. I think we're going to break out really soon, and that breakout's going to be very, very impulsive. And that bull flag is going to take us up to a new all-time high, up above our previous all-time high with crypto total market cap, and that's really going to be exciting and really, really profitable. So yeah, loving the setup here on crypto. The total crypto market cap looks amazing. Chainlink is also looking really good. And yeah, I'm just super excited about these markets. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys are going to be watching these videos and tuning in and learning and doing everything you can to get money in the markets or keep what you have or whatever. But it's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to make a lot of money in this up and coming crypto bull market, which really just started. I mean, we've really only had this much of the bull market, you guys. Imagine when this thing breaks its old all-time high right here and really starts a bull market and really takes off. So it's going to be fun. So yeah, that's my update on Chainlink and the crypto total market cap. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.